Hey, what's up car lovers? Welcome back to Car Trend 2026, your home for luxury, power, and the future of automotive style. Today, we've got something truly iconic. A name that echoes through American car history, but now reborn for the modern age. Say hello to the 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham, and yes, it's every bit as elegant as you hoped. Let's start with what makes this car so legendary. The Fleetwood Brougham has always been the definition of American luxury, long, bold, and unapologetically premium. And in 2026, Cadillac has revived this classic with a breathtaking modern twist. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2026 Brougham commands respect. The design is long and graceful, with a retro-inspired silhouette that pays homage to the original models of the 70s and 80s, but everything else is pure 21st century luxury. A massive front grille, sharp LED blade headlights, and polished chrome accents wrap this car in sophistication. It's a rolling statement, classy, timeless, and impossible to ignore. The body stretches past 18 feet, giving it an executive limo feel. The roofline is slightly lowered for better aerodynamics, and it glides on massive 22-inch turbine-style wheels. Cadillac even brings back subtle touches like vertical taillights and rear fender lines that nod to the golden age of American sedans. Now let's pop the hood. Underneath all that class is serious performance. The 2026 Fleetwood Brougham is powered by a refined 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8, producing 520 horsepower and 550 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this powerhouse delivers smooth acceleration and effortless cruising, just like a Cadillac should. And for those leaning into the future, Cadillac also offers a fully electric Brougham variant, boasting dual motors, 580 horsepower, and over 400 miles of range. It's fast, quiet, and sophisticated, the ultimate ride for those who want silent power with zero emissions. Step inside, and this car becomes a private suite on wheels. The cabin is a masterpiece, draped in premium leather, suede, open-pore wood, and aluminum trim. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and massage-equipped, and the rear seats offer full recline, leg rests, and their own infotainment screens. At the center, you've got a stunning 38-inch curved OLED display that merges the instrument panel and infotainment system. Cadillac's latest interface supports Google integration, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced voice commands. There's even built-in AI that learns your preferences, from seat position to ambient lighting to preferred driving modes. And speaking of driving, the 2026 Brougham comes with Super Cruise 2.0, Cadillac's advanced hands-free driving system. On compatible highways, this car practically drives itself while keeping you safe and centered. Lane changes, adaptive cruise, and even automatic stop and go in traffic, all handled effortlessly. On the safety side, you've got it all. Automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, blind spot alerts, night vision cameras, and a full suite of driver assistance systems. Now for the price, the new Fleetwood Brougham starts around $85,000 for the standard V8 model and climbs up to $105,000 plus for the fully loaded electric edition. Expensive, yes. But for what you're getting, it's not just a car, it's an experience. So, what do you think, Car Trend 2026 family? Has Cadillac nailed the return of the king? Would you pick the V8 or go full electric with the modern twist? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon for more epic car content, reviews, and the return of legends, only here on Car Trend 2026. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Fire oncoming car crown.